This isn't just a normal Wi-Fi car. You can control it just by tilting your phone. And yes, it actually works. In this video, I'll show you how to build this Batman-style Wi-Fi car with full app control, gyro mode, and I'm giving you all the files for free. Let's build it! Now for the chassis, I designed this 3D CAD model, and we need to 3D print it. But if you don't have a 3D printer, this is where it comes in. RapidDirect is an online manufacturing platform rated 4.9 out of 5 on Trustpilot that lets you turn your designs into real parts. They offer services like CNC machining, injection molding, sheet metal fabrication, and of course, high-quality 3D printing. All you have to do is go to their website, click on Get Instant Quote, select 3D Printing, and upload your STL file. Then click on Configure, choose your material, I'm going with PLA. You can also select finishing options, apply the settings, and instantly check the price. It's super fast and beginner-friendly. So if you want to build this project without owning a 3D printer, you can check out RapidDirect using the link in the description.